What do you need to do before resetting your Android device? Let me explain the whole thing and let's get started. If you're new here, by the way, on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. First of all, you open up settings and you can find the settings for like resetting the device. Right, so if you go to the general management, you have the reset button or menu which you can go into, and there are so many things which you can reset. For example, you can reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, reset accessibility settings or all settings. And before you really do this, if you are resetting, for example, Wi-Fi settings, then it would make sense to obviously save the Wi-Fi passwords somewhere else or remember it, right? So you can get back to your network after you reset it. But if you mean like the full factory reset, and at the bottom, which is the data reset, which clears and erases every single thing on your phone, in that case, before you do it, it would make sense to do either a temporary cloud backup or external storage backup. So assuming that you don't want to lose your data, like your photos, your, files of various kinds, it would make sense to back up your phone before you fully erase it and reset it. So as you can see, you have two options. I would personally click on the external storage backup. So if you have any device which you can connect like an SSD or external SD card which you can connect to your phone, just try to connect it like that, and you will have the ability to back up your device onto that external storage. Or you can as well go with the temporary cloud backup. This depends on your phone, but it kind of connects me with the Samsung Cloud, where I have the ability to store my data for 30 days for free. This is designed for people switching to a new device so they don't lose the data in the meantime. So that's how you could approach this. That's what you can do before you reset and fully erase your Android phone. So I hope that I was able to explain how you could approach this or the options that you have. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you in the future videos.